Welcome back, and we are going to place the anchor bolts here. So since we have the holes in place, so I'll come to formwork here and the macro gallery here, and come to formwork here. This is where we'll get the embedments here and embedments objects here. So we have the anchor bolts here. So if I click on the anchor bolts right there, I'll be able to just come here, zoom closer, and you can read on the information here. Select a point to create anchor bolt. So I want just to snap this right at the center of this particular bolt here, of this particular hole here. So once I've snapped right there, just place your mouse there or your cursor and click on that spot. So give it some time to load the anchor bolt. So I'll right click to terminate that command. So if I turn that round, we'll be able to see it way off the surface of our base plate. So what do? I'll just double click on it. So, but double clicking on it will only bring actually it will bring the actual editing dialog box of this particular bolt. So I'll come to figure here. The figure will give us the full will give us the type of the anchor bolt, but that one, let's come back to it later on. Let's go to geometry here. So under geometry, we want this to just sit right on the top of our base plate. So how would you do, or what do you do? We'll change everything here to 0, change that to 0, and you click apply and give it some time. If you turn that up, you'll be able to see it's now right, and that fastens or applies or get hold of our plate right on top of the concrete accurately or firmly. So you can see there's a huge protrusion or a huge length or a lengthy part remaining of our rod here, a threaded rod. This threaded all the way to somewhere here, and we want to shorten this. So if I click on top there and I come here and click on that, and I want to just bring it down maybe by, I can bring it down by maybe 50 will be okay. If I click move, it has moved up by 50 because I haven't prefixed that dimension with the negative sign. So if I click move, I'll be able to bring it down to that spot. So if I close that and bring it there, now let's go back. Let's go now to type of anchor bolts here. So if I double click on this, and that will bring the editor dialog box for this particular anchor bolts. So if I come to figure, I'll be able to select on type of anchor bolts here. If I need maybe H type, if I click that, I'll be able to see this one here. So if I turn that around, I'll be able to see we have a H type here. So let's try and use that and populate this all around. So I have selected on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and come to special copy and pick on rotate, and I want to populate this all around. So I'll follow the same step, and here I need 11 of them because I already have one. The total is 12, and since I have one in place, I just type 11 and retain the angle at 30, rotating about this line that we had created previously. So I'm going to click run. So just click run there, and that will populate these around. So close that. So if I come back and try rotate that, try to check this, you'll be able to see we have our anchor bolts in place. So we have that in place all around. So that's how you walk around on how you create anchor bolts here. So let's meet then, and I hope you try that. And if you have any issue with COMOSYS license, you can also reach out to me so that we can discuss on how you can get one. And I have a very big special offer for specifically for East African, and you can get half price of the market price of COMOSYS. So I hope you'll try that by yourself and do it as we have done here. So let's meet then, bye bye, and I hope you'll try. Let's meet then, bye bye.